Curious if your device supports modern standby mode? Here's a quick guide to check in Windows 11. Press Windows key on your keyboard and type CMD. Then, select the Command Prompt app from the search results, as shown below. Type the following command in the command prompt and hit the Enter key on your keyboard. Power CFG. After executing the above command, it will display all the sleep states that are available on your system. It will also show all the other sleep states which are not supported by your system. If it shows standby, S0 low power idle network connected, below the sleep states available list, it means your system is supported for the modern standby mode. Otherwise, it means it does not support this feature. Close the command prompt. Thanks for watching it. Helps make sure to hit like and subscribe.